Okay, so welcome members. Now here we are going to have this number, but I'm going to show you three alternatives of getting the area of that shaded part. Or if time allows, I can show you in the fourth. But please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let us see the first two. So now, the first thing they are telling that in the triangle below, it is to find the area of the shaded region. So this is the shaded region, and understand it's a trapezium. Now, from here, you note that you always first note that in our solution, you note that A, E, B, and A, B, C. A, E, B, and A, B, C are similar. So those two triangles are similar. If they are similar, what am I doing? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the area of the big triangle, then minus the area of the small triangle. I'll be having the area of the main triangle. But to get the area of this small triangle, I'm missing its height. So what does it mean? I'm going to use now similarity. So you see that now the length I want is AE. So you see that now AE over BE is going to be AE over BE. I mean AE over BE is going to be AE. Now for the little triangle, you are going to say AD over DC. DC. You always note if you take AE first, even here you take AD. It's up to you. Then it's that my AE is what I'm looking for. So my AE over BE, which is 6, is equal to my AD. AD is that AD is 12 over DC. Where is DC? This is here as 8. If I cross multiply, so minus E is going to be 12 times 6 over 8. And you see that there, you see that by this, by 4 you get 3 here, by 4 you get 2. By 2 here you get, and so your answer, your AE is going to be 9 centimeters. So if you have AE here, now I can just get the area of the small triangle. So now, you see that if I have AE, now note that area, let me write here, area of now ABE is going to be a half BH, which is a half times, you see its base is 6, times its height, which is AE, which is 9. And you see this one is going to give us 27 cubic, square centimeters. Now the area of now ABC is going to be also a half BH, which is a half times the base. Its base is here as 12. The height is 8. And you see by this one, by this 4, which is going to give us 48 square centimeters. Now meaning that area of the shaded region is going to be the big area for the whole of this triangle, which is 48 minus 27. And so that from here, when you subtract these two, you get 21 centimeters square. Now, this is alternative 1. Alternative 1. Alternative 2, I think it's going to be the shortest. It's that now, for the trapezium, our trapezium is that A, B, D, E is a trapezium. So, B, C, D, E is a trapezium. Whose area is now given by R half H, A plus B. Now, it's that our height, not that AD will be equaling to AD will be AE plus ED. ED. So ED is that our ED is the height. ED is the height of this trapezium. So mean that from here, my ED will be, now I got AE as 9. This is 9, means that our ED is going to be 3 centimeters. Now, if I have that, now I can easily put into my formula. So now my area will be half times the height, which is 3, then times A plus B. This trapezium is that our A is 6 plus B, which is 8. And this one is going to be giving us 3 over 2 times 14. And this one is going to give us 21 centimeters squared. That's the second alternative. Alternative 3. Now, alternative 3 you could see, now, if I can get the linear, I can easily get the area of this triangle. So see that area of ADC, we got it as F a half BH, which is a half times the base, which is 12 times 8, which gave us 48 centimeters squared. Now, if we have this, we can now do that. Or is area scale factor is equal to the big area over the small area. Now, I am going to first of all the area scale factor, but I know that my area scale factor is equal to linear scale factor, the whole square. Now, when I get the linear scale factor, here I can get, because I have this and I have this, I can get the linear scale factor. So it's that from here, my LF is equal to DC over BE or EB, which will be 8 over 6, which will be 4 over 6, which will be 4 over 3 by 2. Meaning that now my area scale factor is going to be over 3 the whole square, which is going to give us 16 over 9. So if I have the scale factor, now I can get I said now my area scale factor is going to be area of the big triangle, area of ADC over area of the small triangle, which is AEB. So I have this as 6 over 9 is equal to the area of the big, which is 48 over, let me call this A. If we multiply there, you see that I'll be having 9 times 48, the whole over 16. And you see by this 1, by this 3, it's that area. Here will be, it's going to give us 27 square centimeters. Meaning that now, therefore, I have the area of the small, meaning that the area of shaded part is going to be now the area of the big minus the area of the small, 27, which is going to give you 21 centimeters square. I think that all the methods are giving you the same answer. It's up to you. Therefore, we are not going to go through it because space is limit. So try to subscribe to the channel, press that red button. I wish you the best. Wait for more examples.